If you already have a plugin file and want to insert it into After Effects, you can follow these steps. Here I already have a stretch.ex file. Right-click on the file, then select Copy. If you want the easiest step to find the After Effects file, you only need to right-click on the After Effects shortcut. Then select Open File Location. After that, open the Plugins folder. Effects folder. This is where we will put the file. But if you want to find it manually, you can open Drive C. Open the Program Files folder. Adobe. Select the After Effects file installed on the desktop. Open the Support Files folder. Plugins. Effects. Then we just need to paste the .ex file. Make sure the file has been copied into the Effects folder. To find out whether it worked or not, I immediately tried running After Effects. In the Effects and Presets panel, just type the effect name. Here, it can be seen that the stretch effect has been successfully inserted. And now the effect can be used. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.